Hi everyone, today we are standing in front of a 75 kilowatt Mer Rapid charger. But before I show you how to use it, it's good to know you have the choice to charge your electric vehicle as a guest user or by registering on our network. As a guest user, you can charge using contactless payment and the app. With contactless payment, select the sockets on the screen using the buttons, connect the cable to your vehicle to start the charge. To end your charge, hold your payment card on the payment terminal, press stop on the charger and disconnect the cable. With the app, you do not need to register with us. Connect the cable to your vehicle, download and open the Mer Connect UK app, click on Find a charge point, select the charger and socket. You can find the socket number on the charger, swipe to connect and add your personal details to start the charge. To start the charge, swipe stop in the app and disconnect the cable. A receipt will be sent to you via email following your charge. If you are a registered customer, log into the Mer Connect UK app and follow the same steps. To charge with a Mer Charge card, create an account on the app or driver portal to order the cards. Once you have received it, select the socket on the screen using the buttons. Connect the cable to your vehicle and hold your charge card on the payment terminal to start the charge. To stop the charge, hold the charge card on the payment terminal, press stop on the charger and disconnect the cable. Detailed instructions on how to use the charge point can be found on the charger. To find out more about our roaming partners and our prices, visit our website uk.mer.eco.